see the run with your bitch. Butterfly doors on the bench. Running through bands, I'm rich.
Yo, what is going on, guys? Thank you guys for tuning in to another video. If you guys are new here, I'm Adrian. I make videos on my 2018 Mustang GT and my 2008 BMW 335i. So for today's video, I'm gonna be meeting up with the homie Sammy. He's got a 2018 Mustang GT Performance Pack, 10-speed, and I'm gonna be doing a review on it. We're gonna take it for a drive. He's gonna let me drive it, and I'm gonna give you guys my thoughts on the 10-speed compared to the manual, because mine is stick shift, and yeah, mine's also not the performance package, so I don't think I ever really drove one. So yeah, I'm gonna see what the differences are. Mine's just the base. Yeah, so I'm on my way to meet up with him right now, and then I'll pick up the camera as soon as I meet him up, and we'll get the video going. So yeah, see you guys in a bit. This is the homie Sammy's 5.0. Got him right here. It's a 10-speed performance pack. We're just getting some gas real quick because I was low. It did have some E85 in the tank, but the closest E85 station to me is like 40 minutes away, and I'm not trying to drive all the way out there for E85, so I'm on the flex tune. I can, you know, put either or. So yeah, we're filling up right now with some 91. Yeah, this is the car we're gonna be reviewing today. We'll be heading out to a spot right now, and then we'll get the video going for you guys. All right, guys, so we just got here to the spot. Clean view with some clean stains. So yeah, this is my 2018 5.0. It's just the base car, but I did do a couple upgrades. Some of you guys might already know. I have the bigger screen and leather, but when I first bought it, it didn't come with any of that. It had the small 4-inch screen, and it had cloth seats. But yeah, so today we're going to be doing a review on my homie Sammy's 2018 5.0. He got the performance package, so here it is. Mine is just, again, like I said, a base car, non-performance package. So some of the differences would be like his comes with the performance package 19-inch wheels, and mine came with I believe they were 18s and some shitty 235 tires. But obviously I upgraded. Got these on there now, some 305s in the rear, because, you know, we need all the traction. But also another difference is mine's got the base brakes, so non-Brembo, and he's got the Brembo brakes. His also comes with the Michelin tires, and mine came with, I forgot what brand they were, some super shitty tires, but obviously different gears, the wheels, the lip was different. Mine was smaller, but again, I upgraded to the RTR lip, and that's the performance package lip. And then as far as other things from the exterior, you can tell would be the performance package wing here, which looks so good. Been thinking about getting this one for my car as well. I just got the small carbon fiber one, but yeah. And then as far as the interior, let's go ahead and check it out real quick. It's pretty similar to mine when it was the base, so just cloth seats. But like I said, his is the 10-speed, and he's got the gauges in here right in the middle. And also his came with the OEM Ford big screen. Mine is a aftermarket unit made by Novos. And he also got the modes here for like track and sports, snow, stuff like that. But yeah, as far as the interior, they're kind of similar. One thing I do wish I would have got is when he turns it on at night, he can actually change the colors here on the cluster. That's a pretty cool feature. And obviously he's got the paddle shifters because it is the 10-speed. And his car did come when he bought it with a Corsa Extreme Catback. So check it out. Corsa. So yeah, let me give you guys some sound clips of what that sounds like right now. There you go. All right guys, so we are in the performance package Mustang 10-speed. Damn, the brakes feel like touchy compared to mine. Are you already on sport here? All right, so yeah, like I said, his got the modes right here where you can change it up, and mine doesn't. So that's another cool feature that the performance pack obviously has the advantage compared to the base. Is your steering in sport too?
Yeah, it automatically switches into sport with the whole car in sport.
Yeah, the brakes are a lot touchier than the base brakes for sure. Downshift sounds so clean with the Corsa. You can tell the suspension is different as well. This feels stiffer than mine. I'm on springs, so that might kind of affect, I guess, a little bit, but it definitely feels stiffer compared to when it was stock. So better handling, obviously, since it is the performance pack. Do a little pull right here. A lot not more responsive, I would say, but the way the transmission kind of automatically will shift down for you, that's a really good feature right there. I am using the paddles as well. But damn, it feels like different compared to obviously me driving it and it doing the shifting kind of for me. Let's go ahead and do a little pull right here. Going to third. Damn.
Got the traction loss right now?
Yeah, it spins. The handling is like a huge difference for sure. That's crazy. Yeah, I think as far as daily driving, this would probably be a lot better than the manual, because I don't daily drive mine anymore, but when I used to, like coming home from work on the freeway, it'd get super packed, and it was annoying. You know, you gotta keep shifting up and down and putting clutch in and all that stuff. So obviously this seems like a lot better as far as daily driving goes. So like I said, then the 10 speed, that's where it's got the advantage. If you're gonna daily drive it, I would probably go with the 10 speed, unless you guys live in an area that there isn't too much traffic. Then the manual obviously is going to be a little more fun. Not saying this is not fun, because it is, and obviously the automatic is going to be faster than the 10 speeds. Like no matter what, mod for mod, 10 speed is obviously going to be faster. But if you don't really care too much about that and care more about the driving experience, I would say the manual is a little bit better. Yeah, let's go ahead and get another little pull here for you guys. So sick. It pulls so hard for it pretty much being stock. It's just got a catback. That's it. Stock airbox. No tune yet. What do you think? Do you plan on doing any future mods to it, or keeping it kind of how it is, or what do you think?
Definitely modding it. So I saw your Euros and your RTR lights, and it just make the car look way better. So I'm definitely planning on buying those pretty soon. I want to add intakes, a tune, of course.
Yeah.
I mean, just anything that could be a full bolt-on, because it's pretty cheap, and it would just give me more power to the car. That would just give me a whole new experience to it. But I want to learn the car how it is right now.
Right now,
I've never had this amount of horsepower.
Yeah,
so it's just a big jump for me, and
yeah. So he came from a
2004 Volvo.
2004 Volvo.
Turbo.
Yeah, so obviously it's a huge jump. That thing's probably got what, 210 horsepower, jumping right into 460. I did tell him as well, you know, just learn to drive the car how it is stock. It's got
we were going for the stock. Yeah, we weren't even going
plenty of power. Plenty of power right now how it is. After you get bored of it a little bit, that's when you'll want to start throwing in, you know, intakes, tune, E85, all that stuff, because these cars with a couple simple bolt-ons, you could make right over 500 wheel, which is pretty crazy, you know. Some crazy cars that were expensive, like a lot more expensive, come with 500 horsepower, and that's crank. So to be able to do this on a car that is like 35,000, you know, it's a pretty cool, good deal right there, you know. But yeah, you guys heard him. He might be getting the Euro tail lights and a couple other exterior features, as well as going full bolt-on. So you know, later on you guys might see more videos on it in the channel, doing some installs on it and all that good stuff. So yeah, now we got the 10 speed in the channel, and we got the manual one. So yeah, later on as well, when he's full bolt-ons, I'm sure we're gonna go on a trip to Mexico, get some runs in, watch him gap me. But yeah, I mean, as far as the driving experience, comparing the performance package to the base, it does handle better, that's for sure. The brakes are definitely better. Yeah, that's pretty much my thoughts on it. I don't regret not getting the performance package. Obviously I like my car, but if you are more into back road type of driving, the performance package definitely is a better alternative than the base. But what I was planning on to do with my car was just kind of straight line, some back road driving as well, all that good stuff. So I don't really care too much for the performance package. But yeah, now driving this, it's definitely, like I said, the features I like the most is the gauges, being able to turn colors, and then the Brembos are pretty sick. So that's another cool feature. Let's see if we can do it right now. I think it needs to be darker, but we'll see. Yeah, I know, see, no color, not adjustable in the daytime, so it's got to be dark. But I'm sure you guys have seen it before. You could change the gauge colors, a whole bunch of different colors. These will change colors as well here in the cup holders and under the door handle here. All right guys, well, that's gonna be it for the video. If you guys enjoy that, make sure you guys like, subscribe, share with your friends, all that good stuff, and I will see you guys on the next one. Peace out.